The EDS Water Management from Festo Didactic provides a practical and complete learning environment to train people to understand the different processes throughout the whole water cycle. Modular workstations coupled with PC-based process control reproduce the water cycle. The entire learning system covers all core processes of urban water supply and sanitation. The system is divided into four main areas: water purification, water supply, wastewater transport, and sewage treatment. Transparent tanks allow for the observation of the sedimentation process within the primary settlement tank. A transparent pipe shows how the flow is affected by the quantity of water and solids. A pneumatic-driven slide valve acts as an outlet for sludge removal. A T-piece in the pipe realistically stimulates flooding streets. The principles behind stormwater retention tanks are also an important topic covered with this system. Flow is controlled by a pneumatic proportional valve. Sensors and actuators support data acquisition and closed-loop control. Indicators display pressure, flow rate, and electric power consumption. Oxygen regulation is one of the major energy consumers within a wastewater treatment plant. With the EDS water management, strategies to regulate the input efficiently and reduce power consumption while maintaining effectiveness can be developed. In modern wastewater treatment, biomass is seen as a resource, for example, for energy. The interaction of biological cleaning performance, the system physics, and the control parameters of pumps, valves, and the oxygen input make high demands on a system understanding. The water cycle now comes to an end. The soiled load is collected from the filter of the groundwater tank to then be dried out and used again. Clean water is the elixir of life. Without technical investment and qualified workers, we cannot quench the thirst of a growing global population. The EDS water management optimally prepares students for this challenge with state-of-the-art technology.